What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. We live in a society where more is always better. Owning more things, buying the latest sneakers, cars or clothes. But do we really need materialistic things to be happy? Is our happiness really dependent on the material stuff that we own? I personally found out that in most of the cases we only buy stuff to impress other people. And at the end we don't even use that stuff. Our homes become packed full of stuff we don't need and we only bought to impress other people or to compensate a feeling. In my opinion, that is not the way on how you become or be really happy. In our society, most of the people only buy stuff to compensate their lack of happiness, confidence or acceptance, but most of the time it doesn't work and makes them upset, which lead to buying new stuff again. Another fact is that we as humans are creatures of habits. For example guys, you buy a fancy new car. In the first 1 to 2 weeks you're enjoying it, but after a while it becomes normal and a common part of your life. In the long term it doesn't really add to your happiness. So in my opinion, materialistic things will never make you really happy. They only create an illusion of happiness for a short period of time. But what exactly is minimalism and how can it change your life to the better? I don't define minimalism by only owning 3 to 5 things or something like that. I understand minimalism as a concept where you only buy or own stuff that really serves a purpose in your life and that really needs to be in your life as well. There's no list of things that you should own or buy. You need to decide that for yourself if you need it or not. Cut down your impulsive behavior of buying things and decide by yourself if it makes sense to have it in your life or if it is just a waste of money. Some personal advantages of minimalism are that you are more focused on things that bring happiness and joy into your life. It can help you to define the term of success on a more personal level, instead of that common materialistic worldview on success. And of course guys, you will save a lot of money through it and you learn how to treat and spend your money the right way. Another advantage is that it can help you to find your passion as you're not constantly trying to make you happy with external things. Find joy and happiness in the present moment and with everything that you have. I still think that you need goals in your life that you are working on, but have goals that you combine with your passion and not goals that you only want to achieve to impress somebody else. Let's talk about how you can implement minimalism into your life. The first step is you need to get rid of all of the stuff that you don't need, so sell it, gift it to somebody else. And number 2 guys, stop buying stuff impulsively and decide carefully if you really need it or if it is just a waste of your money. Number 3 guys, define what makes you really happy and simply what you want out of life and prioritize it. And number 4 guys, find joy and happiness in these small things and start valuing more the limited time that you have on this planet. Try to implement it step by step into your life and see how this concept can change your life. And that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Share it with a friend who needs to see it. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.